everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. Today in this video I'm going to guide you through how you can invite friends, create a room and start playing Carrom Disc Pool 1 vs 1 or 2 vs 2. So let's get started. First of all, open the Carrom Disc Pool app on your device. Now tap on the friends section. Here you can find create room option, tap on it and then select whether you want to play 2 vs 2 or 1 vs 1 and the type of the game you want to play. Once you've selected, tap on the create room option. Now hit the invite button. Then you've just created the room. Once all of your friends have accepted your invitation, you are redirected to start the game. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you'll never miss another gaming update.